Before we start, take a deep breath. You don't need perfect English, you just need to start. Every morning, Sarah woke up early, not because she wanted to, but because she had to go to work. She worked hard, but something always bothered her. Sarah could understand English, but she was afraid to speak. In meetings, she stayed quiet. She knew the answers, but the words didn't come out. One day, her manager asked a simple question. "What are you working on?" Sarah knew the answer, but her heart started beating fast. Her hands felt cold. She stayed silent. That day, Sarah went home feeling upset. She thought, why is speaking English so hard? She opened her phone and searched how to speak English confidently. She found a simple video. The teacher said, "Don't watch silently. Read with me." At first, it felt strange. Sarah spoke slowly. She made mistakes. She paused often, but she didn't stop. Every day, she practiced for 10 minutes. She read questions aloud. She answered slowly. She didn't rush.